I think I could take that. Bobble, wobble. Wobble, bobble. Yeah, I think I could take that jump pretty easily. Try the wild. Oh, yeah. Wildcat drop. How's up? Oh! Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Whoa! Gap jump. Oh, gap jump. Yeah, I'm not hitting the gaps. I was like, oh, gap junk, gap junk, yeah. This is the rest of Wildcat. Rock slabs. I'm not the oldest one here now. I got somebody else I'm riding with for a second here. Woo! Oh, I totally would hit this.
You just need to know it, and then if that one's safe, and that's just a roll.
That rock roll, yeah. And go for it. I might follow you. Whoa, it's a very intimidating. Oh yeah. Oh, gaps. Fly. There's no tomorrow. Got a little air on that one. And then we're back on Happy Camper. Wow. I want to send so much stuff here, but well, you'd have to be a local. You would have to be local. Yes, local as in somebody who's local and somebody who's crazy. Get a couple of these little ones. I'd like to see more tables here, though. I really would. Oh, next up, the big table. I want to try to hit it. Oh, yeah. Wow. Well, that was about what I expected.
Oh, good. Yeah. Did you take the alt line or the?
No, I just took the regular. I got a little air on some of those little rollers, whatever you want to call them. Have you hit that big table over here at the bottom?
I think, yeah. Right. I mean, a couple months ago, if it's still there.
Did you like hit it good and clear it?
No.
Okay. I might try to hit it.
When I don't, the skill I have to figure out is still whipping, and I know it's a control thing.
Oh.
Because I'm a dead sailor on all these jumps.
Yeah, I'm kind of that way too. I can move a little bit in the air, but it has to be a small jump.
So.
I'm going up to Giants tomorrow.
Okay.
Or I'm going up there tonight, but I'm gonna hit that tomorrow. So.
Giants is awesome.
That's what I've heard. I don't anticipate myself hitting any of the real big technical stuff, but I'll probably hit all the blue trails and.
It's got so much good progression.
Okay.
Like I can spend all day on.
Oh, well, that's what I'm kind of hoping. I was thinking, oh, I'll be there for 4 hours. It might be more than that. Try doing different rock feature. Oh, yeah, I don't know if I want to do this. Oh, it's not that bad. Just go for it. Chunk, massive chunk of chunks. That actually, the way I came into that was actually pretty good. That was a good line. Somebody wants to do double black. Next piece is going to be a new trail, and I'm going to kind of roll. It's got gap jumps on it, so I'm going to kind of take it easy. But you can see one of the jumps coming up. Oh, the chairlift. And it's not on any of the maps that I saw, but I didn't get a new map. It's this one right here. Oh, cow. Okay. This is a black diamond. Wow! Oh, cow. Okay, I was thinking it was gonna be all jumps. No, it's not. Holy cow. Okay. Fort Gitchi Gummi. Oh yeah, see? Gap, okay. Little gap. These actually don't look like they're too bad. This one is rollable, and then this is the big one. And I'm not gonna get anywhere near enough speed for this. But now I'm going to go into blaster. Trails merge. Oh! I'm so not ready for this. Oh! First of all, I suck. There's no easy route here. Actually, that doesn't look bad. Alright, we're doing the all-weather trail. Just because I haven't done this yet. There's a lot of offshots on this, so I'm going to check some stuff out. There's one trail with a jump on it. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Okay. Interesting. Oh, this is the first offshot right here. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. Yeah, I'm about worn out. Sounds like tomorrow's gonna be the best day for me. We'll be hitting a lot of fun stuff. I hope. And then, yes, I do not have a riser in because I lost all of them. Oh well. I gotta figure out how to not lose those, but whatever. Now this is actually a real easy advanced section, I think. And there's a couple different options that you can do. Oh yeah, not bad at all, actually. Oh, it's a green trail. You know, any of these rock features they have, it's like infinity amount of options. This is green, man. This is a double black. I'm just gonna walk this and see what it looks like, just out of curiosity. Is it closed off? It looks like it's closed off. No, it goes over here. Oh! Okay. I'm just gonna walk in and see. It's like super loose. Okay, so it's a big rock drop. Wow. Well, you can roll around it. This is the only double black I've ever attempted even. I mean, I know people send it. Oh, I'm going way too slow. I'm not really sure. Okay. Wow. This actually doesn't look like it's too bad. I don't know where the line is though. My brakes are not doing so great, so I'm just gonna walk this. I just want to see what this looks like. Yeah. Yeah, you're working out. Yeah, I am. Come and do this trail. Now that I show you what it was like, come and do it. Oh. Well, that's typical Duluth. This isn't so bad. Wow! I am so not doing the rest of this trail. Wow. Alligators of death. Yeah, my everything is like, well, that was a good look at what one of the double blacks look like. I mean, you have to really scope them out. Notice, bridges may be collapsed into death. That's what the sign said, seriously. This is all weather again. This is the funnest part because it zigzags across the hill. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. I think I'm gonna take a break and see what time it is. I don't have a whole lot of time left, but I'd be okay with quitting at this point. I love this place. I wish I had more energy. Yeah! Little jumps. They're my favorite. Little jumps. Little jumps are your friends. I'm feeling it all throughout my body though. My right brake is squeaking. If you hear a squeaking noise, that's what that is. Holy banana boats. Fun stuff. Fun. Super fun. Okay, so what is this? Okay, I'm exploring something new. Okay, I don't know what this is. This is not a trail. I know what it is. I do not know what this is. Did I mention I didn't know what this was? Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, now I think I'm going to get into... I'm not really sure. There's like another trail over there too. This might actually be a hiking trail. Whoops! I might have to edit this one. I'm really not sure what this is. No signage at all. So I don't have my gloves, of course. This is my last run. I'm going to do the full wrecking ball. And then I'm going to do Candyland again, I think. I see people doing this. Boing! Wow! I get to come back. A little more speed. That's actually not too bad. It really isn't too bad. Wow! Oh, that sucked. I am so tempted to hit that gap. My thing is loose. My thing is loose. My thing is loose. Oh, I'm in an oopsie gear. I'm in an oops easy gear. You haven't mastered this yet? Actually, I don't know if there's anything I haven't mastered on here except for some of the scary step downs. This will be my bread and butter right here. This time, I'm gonna get this one. Wow! Wow! Did I say wow yet? Wow! Holy buckets! That jump throws you. Oh! It's fun, but it just throws you. And I'm thinking the gap jumps here are gonna be that way too. I don't think I'd have any problem with them, but right now it's like, bypass. Bypass! Oh my gosh, this is just nuts. And this is a blue, it's a blue trail. What the heck? Oh, your line and follow through. Oh, I still want to jump off this. Boy, you could make a gap right there. So could make a gap right there. Okay, so now I gotta focus. What am I doing? Yeah, see, I want to hit this. Oh, I don't like what's after it though. Okay, now let's sail it. Wow! Nope. Nope. Big nope there. No. I got that one before. Oh. I kind of want to hit this. I can't hit that over there because I don't know what that does. Here goes. Things. I am so spent. Those guys are like way behind me. This end part is, whoa, there's some water bottle. Ah! Oh, that's not this year. That's for sure. Oh, not like a squeaky brake. Whoa, come on. Maximum dust power. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than this for dust. Clear the rock. Oh yeah, I totally cleared it. Take little jumps are my friend, for sure. Oh, I cased that one. Oh yeah. Just got a little take of bumping around. Last day, last ride. I'm just gonna do the top half filmation. I am so tired. I hope I get enough rest tonight. Well, I should. Oh.